Here it is at last.
Hey curly teas. Shea butter is a great emollient. It helps to soften the hair and to lock in moisture. Because of its role in deep hydration and smoothing the cuticle, shea butter may help increase the length of time your hair feels moisturized. There's some info about it helping with frizz and improving how shiny the hair looks after application.
Shea butter is renowned for its ability to deeply moisturize hair, making it a popular ingredient in hair care products. Its rich composition of vitamins E, A, and F, as well as fatty acids, contributes to its hydrating properties.
Shea butter is amazing for my high porosity, dry hair. Now, you can do whatever you want, but I'm probably never going to stop using it in my hair. You know, we try a lot of things on our hair, and sometimes there's misinformation about whatever that thing is. If you have been using shea butter without issue, by all means continue to do so. High quality shea butter is certainly a GOAT ingredient for me. I don't know what they're doing over there, but over here we're using shea butter. Okay, y'all, if you like what I'm doing here but aren't ready to become a full-blown member or subscriber, no problem. Just hit that Cash App. It's realcurlytea. That's RealCurlytea. No spaces, no underscores, no numbers. That's $realcurlytea.